shit.
Are you fucking with my son?
Stop.
If I was fucking with your son... This is my cameraman. My cameraman has been with me for 25 years.
My name is Strudel.
Yeah, Strudel is such a wonderful person. We've been filming for 25 years, making excellent shows about animals and people who like to discover things. So I must interview you before we make this an official discovery animalistic kind of show. Sir, what kind of exploring do you do on a regular basis?
I have a shirt. Wait. Oh my god. Alright, son. Hey, it's professional shit.
Well, to give you an example, just the other day I went out to the Amazon, discovered a native tribe. They had this special breed of monkeys that they used to collect trees. So I took my tank and blew them all to hell.
Say your name as you're on camera.
We'll go with that.
Sir, I don't think that's exactly legal. But
The Brazilian government didn't mind after I sent them a Christmas present.
too late.
Limited print and video release form I did not sign.
What the fuck are you doing?
You know, the way you say that gives me an idea.
I don't exist.
We can combine shows.
None of us exist except for gay.
Do you know those shows with the cop? It's always about like the storm chasers. You know, technically that's illegal for them to do, but they do it anyway.
It was just us being bored.
In the arms of the eyebrows.
Okay, wait. I need to ask you something. About Theodore.
I am sleepy.
If you were sleeping, your eyes would be closed and you wouldn't be sitting upright.
I feel sleepy.
Oh, that's a different thing.
So the storm chasers, it's actually kind of illegal. What we can do is, since you like your tank and your native tribes, what we can do.
He's got me through a lot of scrapes, he has.
What we can do is we can discover plant species, indigenous peoples that haven't been seen before, animals that are rarely talked about, and then what we can do.
Blow him up.
Precisely.
I like the way you're thinking, mate.
Why are you just bashing me? What?
We're gonna call Tim Trump
Other people that matter.
Apparently Rachel is now my mother.
I am!
But first you've got to poke it with your finger.
Fair enough.
Cool.
Not really discovered until you poke it with your finger.
Excuse me, I was the target. You missed. That was lame.
That is my Jewish school mother.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. You?
That's good. I am wonderful. You see, here today, you know the deal with what's going on in this show. So, Ankh!
This is what it looks like.
Ankh!
Wait. You can turn it around. You can see yourselves.
Ankh! Ankh! I should like throw an Ankh up on the screen with my editing skills. Ankh! Really?
I'm proud of my son!
Edwin, we're not running a circus here. What are you doing?
I've found this species. I've never seen it before in my life. Its hair is completely different than anything else. If you get too close, then it reacts very suddenly. So, first thing that we're going to do is Let you do what you do.
You want me to poke it or blow it up? Pick one of the two.
No, poke it first. We always do the calm stuff first, and then we kill it.
Shut up with the camera.
Don't. You suck. Do not throw things. Oh. Do not throw things at your mother.
Camera reception, and I don't like it. You see this good boot?
Yes.
I'm gonna squeeze it right up your ass.
No.
I do.
You know what? Fuck it. I'll bite the bullet. I'll show her.
Maybe we could combine.
No.
Maybe I'll poke it with the tank. And then we blow it up.
Look at the...
What? I'm just a cameraman.
I love this idea.
Don't throw things at your mother. I'll throw them at other people. I feel like a filmmaker. I feel professional.
Ow!
I feel unprofessional. Let's go.
Alright. I didn't pack enough these.
We can push.
You can't push a fucking Panzer 5, mate. It's Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve.
Fuck you. I can't follow it with this camera that quickly, okay? So stop.
You can't follow it that quickly? I'll make it easy to follow. Ready?
You suck.
Also drove in the ditch at one point.
It made a noise.
I swear I didn't. Pulls out Magnum revolver. Coming right for me. I did poke it technically. I poked it with a bullet.
But you didn't gently poke it.
Let's aggravate it. I wonder what its mating call is.
No.
Allegra, do you want to be on the Madhouse? Do I have your consent to put you on YouTube? Sure!
I think the color blue is Wednesday.
Ren, record with my camera. No, my arm and the camera is a being now, and the camera is the eye. Nah. Where's the zoom?
What?
The zoom is this thing.
I figured it out.
Aha!
Wait, no, you have to hold it through. I can count. Hey!
What? Hey.
I stole it.
Please control your play. Your.
I can't control my arm. It has a mind of its own.
Are you fucking with my son?
Stop.
If I was fucking with your son,